Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook page quality violation. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook page quality violation, you should just go to settings like this where you click. After that you will go to apps, default apps app settings. Here you will go down to find the application of Facebook. When you will end this, you will enter to force stop. Here you will go to enter here storage. After that you will go to click clear cache. Then you will click clear data, and after all that stuff you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.